Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross-on-Wye on this sunny Saturday. This is our latest arrival, 2011 on a 61 plate Ford Focus, 2 litre diesel. It's the Titanium X model and it has an automatic gearbox. Finished in Panther Black Metallic and it's covered 49,000 miles from new. We'll have a look around. Titanium X, so extremely well appointed. It's a top of the range model, so you have front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, auto park, which is very exciting. The car itself came from a former policeman down in Reading. We had a Ford C-Max which was slightly newer, but exactly the same engine, gearbox and specification, just needed something a little bit bigger. So this came in part exchange this morning. It has a full 8 stamp service history. So right the way through its life, been serviced every year, the majority of which at the Ford main agent. It also has accompanying bills, receipts for work that's been carried out over the years. Good tyres, wheels absolutely spotless. It's nice when you do a deal over the phone and then the part exchange arrives and it's actually as good as it was described to be. It's refreshing. Really, really smart. I'll run you through some of the extras inside. There are lots, so I'm sure I'll forget a few, but I'll try my very best. Let's have a little look inside. As you can still see, plenty of other cars to choose from. We have had an extremely busy week, a record week. We've been here 7 years and we've sold 9 retail cars this week. It's the best week we've ever had. We still do have plenty to choose from and plenty coming in, so please keep an eye out on our social media channels and our website. Here we go. Half leather, electrically adjustable, and they're also heated. Very, very little signs of wear. Centre armrest. As we come round to the door card. 4 electric windows, electrically adjustable door mirrors. They're also power folding. Automatic lights, and then onto the steering wheel you have controls for your Bluetooth, and then on the other side cruise control, heated seats with your 12-volt, cup holders there with 2 remote keys, power shift automatic gearbox which you get in all the Ford Autos. Really nice setup. Switch the car on. Push button start. There's the mileage, 49,403. I'll put it in to get the gear stick out of the way. Heated front screen, as with all the Fords. And you can switch the parking sensors off, and we have auto park as well. And then it does have Bluetooth, of course. Really, really nice. So we move up. I don't know if you can see particularly well, but sunglasses holder. Has ambient lighting as well. Left it in neutral. There we go. We'll have a look in the back. Super condition in the back. ISOFIX points for the child seats, centre armrest. It does have electric windows in the rear as well. Great size boot. Rear seats you can split. And underneath, a get you home spare wheel. And there we have it. 2011 on a 61 plate. Ford Focus Titanium X diesel, 2 litre, automatic, 5 doors, in Panther Black. It's covered 49,000 miles, comes with a comprehensive service history, and is priced at £6,750. That will come supplied with 12 months MOT, 2 remote keys, V5, bills and receipts, 6 months in-house warranty, which is supplied by ourselves, and finance is available up to 5 years. We are working on an appointment-only basis as it stands, so if you would like to come and view the vehicle, please give us a call on 01989 769 900, and for any other information, please visit the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk, or alternatively send us an email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. Have a great weekend.